Hey guys, welcome to my channel. There's a common misconception that one needs to be a very good programmer before you can run nodes for crypto mining and testnet. However, this is not true, alright? Because there are tools in place that can help anyone, just anyone at all, run nodes, mine crypto, participate in testnets, and earn rewards. In this video, that is what I'm going to show you, alright? Now, don't wait to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I make a new video. All right. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to run a Nexus CLI using MintAir. Now MintAir is a site that helps you run nodes for different crypto projects. All right. Now, not just running the node on mainnet, you can also run nodes on beta and also for testnet using this MintAir website. All right. It is very easy to do. It is very easy, user friendly, and just anyone at all can do it as long as you follow the process I'm going to show you in this video. All right. Now, in order for us to do this, we need two websites. Number one, we need the mintair.xyz website, all right? And then also, of course, we're going to need the Nexus node website, which is the Nexus beta.nexus.xyz. You are going to find the links in the description of this video. Just check the description so you'll find the link in order for you to get started on this. On the beta.nexus.xyz, as you can see on my screen, it's going to help you to connect to the Nexus supercomputer so that you can also earn reward on this testnet. All right. The testnet is on right now. So you just need to open it, click on connect. I made a video earlier on how you can connect to it, add your email address so that you can get linked to your email address so it can help you to recover later. Now on the mintair.xyz, you can, like I've said earlier, you can find it on this, you can find the link on the description of this video. Just check there. You can see from here that this is where you can come to run different node for different projects. Once you've registered, click on launch app. Once you click on launch app, you can connect your wallet, everything that you've done through the registration. Then you can see this Nexus here, right? This Nexus Prover CLI. This is where you are going to purchase a slot in order for you to be able to run the node. Now, it might tell you that it is sold out. So you need to check later. Just keep checking so that you can able to buy and run your node. All right. You can see here that it costs $699 to buy a node. Plus with the discount, I'm going to be buying it at $6.64. Now I'm going to click on buy node. Once I click on buy node, it's going to bring out a page for me to make the payment. This is where you need to make a payment using crypto. All right. You need to use crypto to make this payment. Select currency. You can see the time here. It's going to expire in 20 minutes. So I need to select a currency. In this video, I'm going to be using BNB because I have BNB in my wallet. So I'm going to select BNB. Remember, I'm going to be making a payment through the BNB chain. All right. You can also select any currency of your choice that you want to use to make your own payments. All right. So I'm going to continue to proceed to make payments. This is where it's going to give me an address to pay into. Now you can decide to copy this address and simply send the amount that you want to pay. All right. However, for me, I would like to make my payment using Wallet Connect because my browser, I have the MetaMask extension and I have crypto in the wallet. So I want to use MetaMask to make my payment. I'll simply click on Wallet Connect. You can see MetaMask is installed already. So I will click on the MetaMask. It will give me the interface to make the payment. Okay. So once it brings us the interface for payments, just give it some time. Remember, you can do this with your mobile as well. If you don't want to use this MetaMask process, just copy the address and send the exact amount that you're supposed to send using the same network. So mine is connected. Log in to pay using CryptoMoose. You don't need to log into this CryptoMoose website or wallet to make payments. Just continue with the MetaMask or simply just copy the address and make your payment. So this is the payment I need to make right now. You can see the network is not Smart Chain, and this is the account I am sending it to. So I will just go forward and click on confirm. So at this page, do not refresh the page. This is where they need to confirm that I've made the transaction. All right, they need to confirm on the blockchain. This shouldn't take much time. Okay. So I'll just give it a time for this to load. The transaction of Wallet Connect is being verified. So this is it now. Transaction successful, right? I need to scroll up. See, payment is paid. You have successfully paid the invoice. You can see the amounts are paid and everything. So I prefer using MetaMask in my browser. All right. So once you have added MetaMask extension, it becomes easy for you to make payments, make connections using your browser. So this is it now. You can see my payment is made successfully. I can close this. I can close this pop-up now. Then once I close the pop-up, I need to refresh to see my invoice. This is the place for my invoice. And you can see that my payment is successful. Let it give me that. My payment is successful. Credits, everything is shown successfully. Now, the next thing I need to do now, since everything is successful, at the left-hand side of this, I need to go to the third option, which is active nodes. Anytime you buy a node, this is where you see the node that you have bought. Then the most important thing I need to do now is to complete this form. To complete the form is very easy. This is where you link your Nexus to your MintAir. Go to your beta.nexus.xyz. Click at the menu at the top left corner. Then from your profile, you can see your prover ID. You need to copy your prover ID. Now, very important, your prover ID, as you see it here, click on the copy. You must copy it directly because it is a very long string of numbers. All right. It is a very long string of numbers. From your beta.nexus, you might see just 6 characters or just some few characters. Meanwhile, once you click on copy and you paste it on your MintAir, you notice that the character is actually very long. Also, save this number somewhere else. Okay. So once I've pasted it, I will click on deploy. Make sure that this your prover ID, you save it somewhere else. It is just treat it the way you treat your private key. Copy it, save it somewhere, and then once you deploy, it might take some few minutes in order for this to be updated. So you just need to keep refreshing your MintAir.xyz. Now, the benefit of running this node is that it actually helps you earn more points. Okay. So treat your prover ID the way you treat your private key. All right. Make sure that you copy it and save it somewhere so that you can always use it to recover your account in case there's an issue. And do not forget to put in your email on the beta.nexus.xyz page. All right. Now, once you have deployed the node, it might take some time in order for it to become active, because on the MintAir, once you refresh, sometimes if you refresh, it might give you a pop-up to connect your wallet or tell you to change the network that you are on. There's no problem on that. It does not affect your node in any way. So you can simply just switch to any network of your choice. Now, once that is connected successfully, you can see after some minutes, it will tell you running. Your node is running. And at this point, your beta.nexus.xyz will begin to earn points in a very high rates compared to those that are not running the Nexus CLI. So if you are running the Nexus CLI, it will help you to earn more points over time compared to those that are not running the network. All right. Compared to those that are not running the CLI. So this is just the simple way of running the beta.nexus CLI using MintAir. Remember to use the link in the description of this video to create a MintAir account. You can see from the MintAir website that there are different other nodes that you can run. But for the purpose of this video, we are on Nexus. So you can see how easy it is to run this node. There is no need for you. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to know anything about programming. Just follow the steps that I've shown you in this video. In very simple steps, you are done and you're actively running your node. All you need to do right now is ensure that your beta.nexus.xyz is always open in your system or in your phone. All right. If you're using phone to do this, make sure that your phone has enough space. Make sure that your phone has a good RAM space so that you can run in the background of your phone without disconnecting. If you are using a system, it is even better. You can simply just leave it on at the background so that it will accumulate points for you. Always make sure that your Nexus is connected so that it can accumulate more points for you over time. It is very easy to do this, as you can see. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section of this video. I'll be online to reply every question that you have. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share with others who will find it very useful. All right. I'm very optimistic about this beta.nexus.xyz testnet. Participate in it, be very active, always run the node, and you will see how fast you can accumulate points before they finally go live. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do not forget to share this video, like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon. Most importantly, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I make a new video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye for now, guys.